Welcome to the training for your new position. This is going to be a full-time position as long as you can do the job correctly. It doesn't take a lot, 4 hours a day, maybe less, depending on how good you are. We'd like to get 3 to 4 appointments a day. If you want to make more, you can make more money. If you can make 4 appointments in 2 hours, that's great. If you can make 4 appointments in 4 hours, that's great also. Anyway, we're going to, and you can work longer than that. You can work call in the evening, the morning, or the afternoon, whichever works best for you, as long as you call. And we've set up a database for you to call from. And now I'm going to show you how to log in. First, this is a Pacific Home Remodeling. They did over $26 million in net profits last year. They're one of the 26 largest in the United States. And the program we're going to do is we're going to help set appointments for them, for their agents to go by and take a brochure on a coating that actually adds life to the paint of the house and decreases the heating and cooling by 21%. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to log in and start making those appointments and where your phone script is. Okay, we're at AppointmentSetters.org. I'll reduce the screen a little bit just so you can see it easier. And on the top here is employee login. That's where you're going to go. I will show you. I did do another little video today for the businesses, what we do after we get started with them. And anyway, we have some great clients. We're really happy to have this new client you're going to be working with. It's a major company, and they're going to provide you with employment through us all year long as you can do the job, do the work. Anyway, click on employee login. Go to AppointmentSetters.org. Click on employee login. Once you get to employee login, I want you to click on the top left for agent login, or come straight down to the panel here and log in. Okay, you will log in with the username, which is your email address of what you used when you signed up, and the password. If you forgot and you can't get in, click the forgot password, put your email in here, and then submit, and we'll resend you the automated password username to get in. If that doesn't work, get a different email and apply again online all over again, and get a new username and password. Okay. So anyway, so we're here at employee login. So you're gonna put in your email address as your email address that you use when you apply for the job. I'm going to put in a test just to show you how to do this. Okay, and then you're going to put in your password that you chose. You're going to log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to the Getting Started area. On the top left, click on Getting Started. Scroll down to Getting Started, and you're going to look for Pacific Home Remodeling. From Pacific Home Remodeling, you're going to see the brochures and the phone script. Okay, if you want more information, you can click and look at the brochures. The phone script's very simple. It's right here. You might want to make this text, copy this text and put it in a page. Okay, once you get in the Getting Started area, go click on Pacific Home Remodeling. I just stopped and went in and made some PDFs to make this easier for you. You can see that there's some brochures in here you can take a look at. Click on, you can go to the website, and the brochures will give you a little information on the product. Probably not that you really need a lot of information on that, but it's just there for you to take a look at. Okay, the phone script here is where you're going to get your sample phone script. You can use your own wording. I've created a PDF so it's easier to open up. So when you click on it, it's going to open up in a PDF format, so it's you don't have to mess with the copying and pasting. Okay, you can create your own phone script a little bit, but here's kind of the outline here. And you want to make an appointment between a 10 a.m. appointment, a 3 p.m. or a 7 p.m. And each one of these appointments, for them to stop by with a brochure and go over it with the family, to show them how they can save 21% on their cooling bills just by putting this coating on their paint. You get somebody to approve, okay an appointment, and you can make $500 a week or $1,000 a week making these short appointments. It's a short script. I'm going to show you the other bro flyers inside. There's some rebuttal questions you can click on inside your Getting Started area, again under Pacific Remodelers there. This just gives you a couple questions and answers kind of look at. and read over and get familiar with. Still, it's pretty quick, pretty short. A couple minutes to get this down and get started. And then I've also put this time slots here to give you kind of an idea of the time slots that you want to shoot for. Now, they've guaranteed that they can add an additional 20 reps on top of the ones that they have now, so we can do a ton of appointments for this product. And anyway, the appointments they want is you can make 1 to 5 appointments at 10 a.m., 1 to 5 appointments at 2 or 3, and 1 to 5 at 6 or 7. So that'd be like 15 appointments a day. On Saturday, the same, 1 to 5 appointments, but kind of put them in this time slot, 9 to 1 and 4. So yes, it's Monday through Saturday appointments you can book. And so you have the time slots right there. In the beginning, because we're starting quite a few people to find out who's successful, we might have to do a couple reschedules, but that's okay. So there's your time slots. Okay, now you found out how to get into the getting started. Okay, you've logged in as an employee at the getting started area, but now you need to start calling. Okay, so now what you need to do is you go to leads and appointments. Don't click on any of these. Okay, just click on the very top menu bar, leads and appointments. Don't pick, just click on the top. And then when you get to leads and appointments, it's going to ask you for a username and password. This is not your username and password you use to log in for the employee login. This is not the username you use to log in for the username and password. I don't want to get calls because I always do. It's not working. It's not working. Yes, it will, but read up here. Do not use email address in the name field. Okay, if you're putting an email there, no, it's not going to work. You're going to get a special code here. Okay, and this one's going to start with PHR. Let's say, for instance, let's say PHR1, whichever yours is. This isn't yours, but we're going to assign you one. There's like 150 different databases. You're going to have a username and a password that's going to be PHR1 or PHR2, whatever one we gave you, and that's going to take you into your unique database. Okay, there's where you put that username and password, your leads login panel, my leads login panel. You got there by clicking up here on top at the very top, leads and appointments. Then you're going to log in. Once you log in, you're going to see your database. You can scroll down, skip everything up here, and just click on Make Appointment. Start at the top and just keep going forward. Okay, if you want to have a reminder, you can put a reminder in here, a date, or if you have to call somebody back. But also make sure you put the person's name right here, because a reminder is not going to tell you the name of the person. It's only going to give you the reminder. And put the phone number in here if you have a reminder. Okay, so here's what's going to come. This is was set up for business to business, but it works fine for the business to consumer for now. So where it says business name, that's the person's name. Okay, on this Geneva Witchland. Okay, there's the address of the house. It's in the Buena Parks. There's zip code. This is the phone number. Okay, there's the lady's name or man's name, and that's the phone number that you're going to call. Okay, and then we're going to appointment setter. You can put in your initials there. Don't have to type in your full name. The date of the call. Just click down and put in the date. Result of call. You don't need to do the result of call because, you can put appointment set. Appointment date, because the appointment date is going to tell us you made an appointment. You're going to put in the appointment date. You're going to put in the time, and you're going to put in these next two you can skip, actual arrival time and actual leave time. You don't need those two, but you got to put in the time of the appointment. Okay, and this here you can skip, total time. All you're going to do is put in the date of the call, the appointment date, and the time for the appointment. Okay, you can skip the rest of this. If you have to reschedule for some reason, then you will you can click here and reschedule the date and time. Okay, you can also skip this part, the salesperson, or end this part. So you're really only going to be looking at the right here, the data call and the appointment date. Okay, and the time of the appointment, and you can put your initials here. Okay, and then if the name's different, you can put the different name in here. If I don't know if they got divorced or something, I don't know why the name would be different, but if it is, you can update it here. You can put in their email so we can remind them. If they have an email address, it's good to have it. We can remind them of their appointment. Cell phone's good for a text message reminder. Not necessary, but if they have it, go ahead. The home phone we probably have on the top. unless there's a different number to call back at. And you can skip this how many businesses, because this is business to consumer. We're calling. If they want to meet at a different address by any chance, then you'd want to put that there for the appointment meeting address. And you can skip the referral part. And you don't need to upload any images. You can put any remarks here that you need to put in here, and you click here. You have to click here to save it each time, or it's not going to save. And that's going to save your appointment. And then you're going to go, and you just made, anyway, that's it. So just click on here on the top and start. That's how simple it is to get started. And I would like to see you get at least 3 appointments today. Let's just get started. I'm going to send you your password and your username now. You know where to go to log in. You're going to go to AppointmentSetters.org. You're going to go to AppointmentSetters.org, and you're going to click on the employee login. And then when you log in with your email address here and the password you used here when you signed up for a job with us, if you forget it, here's forget password down here. Put in your email, log in, go to the getting started area, scroll down, Pacific Home Remodeling. There's the brochures and the phone scripts that you need. Start making your calls, leads and appointments. Okay, only skip on the top there. When you click on leads and appointments, you'll sign in the username PHR, starting with PHR, and then you're going to click on the first one and start making your appointments. It's that simple. Okay, that's your training. And have a great day, and dial for dollars.